out all of the herbs. I was going to say it in Spanish, colar. You strain out the herbs, and then whatever's in that bottle, you can do, in that glass, what you can do is a couple of things. You can either put it, again, into a spray bottle, a little bit of cold water, let it cool down, and spray and use that. Add salt to it if you want. That's another thing you could do. You can add
Let me
some
ask you
salt
a question. In my woo-ness, in my studies,
Uh-huh.
salt clears negative energy.
Yes.
So you're going to clear all the negative out of your house.
Yes.
Don't you need to refill it with positive energy, or do you leave it empty?
No.
Okay.
You do fill it back in. This is your first. There's always like you go to shower, you wash your hair, and then you wash your body. Provided that's how everybody does it. But there is a step. So you want to start off by clearing out, and you're absolutely right. Once you clear out, if you don't fill in that void with something positive or whatever it is that you do want, it can come right back. So you're absolutely right. Once you're done clearing, then you want to, either say prayer or maybe add like a sweetening type of thing. I was going to get to that on the next segment. But at some point, once you're done the clearing, then you can bring in the love vibration and stuff. That's why I brought my big hunk of rose quartz.
Wow.
But
Can I ask a question?